We begin by slicing onions and tomatoes into beautiful circles, not just for looks, but for flavor and texture. Onto a hot pan, we gently place them in this arrangement so that it's easy to fold our tortilla. Now, pour in 2 beaten eggs, letting them wrap around the veggies, then place your tortilla right on top. Once the eggs set, give it a flip. Golden, crispy, and smelling amazing. Did you know tortillas have been enjoyed for over 2,000 years and were once made with corn and water only, simple ingredients that fed ancient civilizations? And you may ask, what about eggs? They're one of the few foods that naturally contain vitamin D, helping boost your morning energy. Try to incorporate them into your breakfast. Slice it open and just look at that. Juicy veggies, soft eggs, and that perfect tortilla crunch. Now that's one beautiful start, but we're only getting started. Stay tuned, because the next tortilla recipe is even more creative and mouth-watering. Our first tortilla wrap was crispy and colorful. Now let's add a sweet and tangy twist that'll surprise your taste buds. This one is inspired by those quick street wraps you'll find in busy food stalls, simple, fast, and bursting with flavor. We begin by slicing 1 red onion and some fresh tomatoes, the perfect combo for a juicy topping. Into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon vinegar and 2 teaspoons sugar. Mix it well, and just like that, you've made a sweet salad that's both refreshing and slightly tangy. This is our secret weapon for this wrap. It brings balance and that irresistible bite in every mouthful. Next, beat 1 egg. Add a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of red chili for that extra kick. As we are whisking our egg, did you know? Vinegar doesn't just add flavor, it helps preserve freshness and even improves digestion after a heavy meal. Now you know. Thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this recipes with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. Your love and support truly mean the world to us. It's what keeps us cooking, creating, and sharing from the heart every single week. Now, let's continue. Now comes the magic. Spread your sweet onion tomato salad right on the tortilla. Add a spoonful of tomato sauce for richness, then fold it neatly. This sweet and spicy combo is common in African and Asian street food, where balancing flavors, salty, sour, sweet, and spicy, is the secret to addictive taste. And that's our second tortilla wrap, a perfect mix of flavor and texture. But don't go anywhere. The next one is a cheesy favorite you'll definitely want to try at home. Stay tuned. All right, let's jump into our next wrap. This one is all about simple ingredients turning into something beautifully flavorful. Eggs, cheese, and veggies in perfect harmony. If you love quick, healthy bites, you're going to enjoy this one. We'll start by cracking 2 fresh eggs. Add a pinch of salt, a touch of red chili for that kick, and a handful of fresh coriander for color and aroma. Give it a good mix. This is where all your flavors come alive. Did you know? Coriander isn't just for garnish. It's rich in antioxidants and helps make your meals lighter on digestion. Always consider adding a few leaves to your meal. Next, we slice red onion into rings and tomatoes into beautiful circles. Lay them on a hot pan. Now pour your egg mixture right over. The veggies cook gently, adding a natural sweetness and crunch to your omelet. Once the egg starts to set, place your tortilla on top and flip it carefully. This trick gives you a soft inside and a slightly crispy base. Everything's sealed together beautifully. Now sprinkle a bit of fresh coriander for brightness and grate in your cheese. Let it melt slowly and spread across. That cheese adds creaminess, flavor, and a lovely golden glow once it melts. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us bring you more tasty recipes every week. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We truly appreciate it. Once it's ready, fold it gently. Now slice and just take a look inside. Soft eggs, melted cheese, and those sweet veggies. A perfect bite every time. And we're just getting started. The next one is a cheesy favorite you'll definitely want to try at home. Stay tuned. And now, for our next tortilla twist, we're adding some chicken smokies and cheese to take things up a notch. We'll begin by pouring our whisked eggs onto a hot pan, then gently place the tortilla right on top. Once the bottom side cooks perfectly, give it a flip. Now, it's time to build the flavor. Spread a little tomato paste, add your chopped chicken smokies, and toss in some colorful veggies for that perfect balance of flavor and color. Wow, look at that! The mix of chicken smokies and veggies looks absolutely mouth-watering. Next, sprinkle a generous handful of grated cheese. This step right here is where the magic happens. Cover it up and let it cook for about 2 minutes, just enough for the cheese to melt and bind everything together beautifully. Did you know? Cheese doesn't just make your food creamy, it also enhances the overall taste by balancing the salt and spice, making every bite more satisfying. Next, garnish with coriander for that flavor boost and appeal. Once it's done, slice through and look at that cheesy stretch, crispy edges, soft center, and that perfect smoky aroma. This one's my family's favorite. Before we move to our final tortilla recipe, kindly hit that like and subscribe button. Your support means the world and keeps us cooking up more creative ideas every week. For our final tortilla wrap recipe, let's start by sauteing our veggies on the pan, just a little salt and spice to bring out that aroma. Next, peel your boiled eggs and chop them into pieces. Mix them together with the veggies. This combination creates a creamy, flavorful filling that's absolutely irresistible. You know what's cool about this recipe? It's actually 2 in 1. You can enjoy the veggies and boiled egg just like that for a light breakfast or snack. Or toss in a tortilla and boom, you've got yourself a delicious wrap. Let me know in the comments, which one would you go for? The fried mixed veggies with boiled egg or the full tortilla wrap? Now crack 1 fresh egg onto the pan, pour it gently, and place your tortilla on top. Once one side is cooked, flip it carefully. Add your veggie and boiled egg mixture as the stuffing, then roll your tortilla nice and tight. Did you know? Boiled eggs not only add protein but also make your wraps creamier without any mayo or sauce. Slice it in half and just look at that reveal. So soft, rich, and colorful, every bite is worth it. I think everyone in our YouTube family should try one of these tortilla wraps and tell me your favorite in the comments. Honestly, I can't even pick mine. Each one's got its own special twist. Thanks so much for your love and support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It truly keeps us going every week.